Hello all, welcome to my YouTube channel. Here I am going to upload deduction under section 80C to 80U part 1. Deduction under the Income Tax Act 1961, some deductions are applicable. It is applicable to individual persons, those who are below 60 years age. It is applicable to Hindu undivided family as well as it is applicable to a firm. So here entire deduction 80C2 up to 80U, entire deductions are classified into four parts. Part 1. Some deductions main intention is to encourage the savings. For the purpose of they are classified. And some deduction main intention is to ascertain the personal or to meet the personal expenditure. For ascertain personal expenditure, some deduction is applicable. Part 3 for socially disabled activities, some deduction is applicable. For physically disabled persons, some deductions are applicable. The first part out of this four part, the first part, some deductions to encourage savings. So some deduction main intention is to encourage the savings of the assessee. Out of 80C to 80U, under section 80C, under section 80CCC, under section 80CCD, and finally under section 80CCE, these all main intention is to encourage savings and to avoid the taxation burden. Out of these all, the first deduction is under section 80C. It is applicable to individual and Hindu undivided family. It is not applicable to firms. It is not applicable to the firms. So amount of deduction, actual amount or 1,50,000, whichever is less. The maximum qualified amount limit is rupee 1,50,000 only. The following schemes are available for deduction under section 80C. Contributions to Provident Fund, insurance premium paid on LIC, housing finance, bank FD for minimum for 5 years, investments, tuition fees for education of children, Sukanya Samriddhi schemes. Sukanya Samriddhi schemes. These all are, it comes under, these all are schemes are, it comes under ATC. Out of all this, the first scheme is or first one is a contributions to PF. It may be SPF, RPF, PPF, and ASF. We know that. SPF means Statutory Provident Fund. RPF means Recognized Provident Fund. PPF means Public Provident Fund. ASF means Superannuation Fund. Approved Superannuation Fund. So treatment under ATC, some specific treatment like employees' contributions to RPF and SPF. Employees' contributions to RPF and SPF is eligible to claim here up to rupee 1,50,000. Contributions made by the assessee to 15 years PPF, Public Provident Fund, it is also be eligible to claim under section 80C. Contribution to ASF, Approved Superannuation Fund, it is also eligible to claim. So ASF meaning ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ exam ಅಲ್ಲಿ approved superannuation fund. It means what? Superannuation fund means creating the fund from the contribution of an assessee and later giving him the pensions when he is old or unable to work. That kind of fund is called as a approved superannuation fund. Then contributions to deferred annuity fund, then contributions to notified pension fund, Subscriptions to the notified bonds of National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development NABARD. These all contribution is eligible to claim under Section 80C. Contributions to URPF. URPF means what? Unrecognized Provident Fund. If any assessee contributed URPF, Unrecognized Provident Fund, that contributed amount is not eligible to claim under Section 80C. So these all are contributions to PF special treatments. Special treatments. Then ATC ಅಂಡರಲ್ಲಿ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಸ್ಕೀಮ್ ಯಾವ್ದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ಶೂರೆನ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರೀಮಿಯಂ ಪೇಡ್ ಆನ್ ಲೈಫ್ ಇನ್ಶೂರೆನ್ಸ್ ಪಾಲಿಸೀಸ್. LICಗೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ಪ್ರೀಮಿಯಂ ತುಂಬಿದ್ರೆ he can eligible to claim here. Life insurance premium paid by an assessee or employee or by employer on behalf of employee to assure life of employee, his spouse. ಸ್ಪೌಸ್ ಅನ್ನೋ ವರ್ಡು ಈ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬಾ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸ್ಪೌಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ವೈಫ್ ಆರ್ ಹಸ್ಬೆಂಡ್ ಅಂತ. ವೈಫ್ ಆರ್ ಹಸ್ಬೆಂಡ್ ಆರ್ ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯೀಸ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್ they are, it may be major, it may minor, male, female, married or unmarried. ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯಿ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇವರೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ. They are maybe major, they are maybe minor, female, male, married or unmarried. ಅವ್ರ ಲೈಫಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ LIC ಪ್ರೀಮಿಯಂ ತುಂಬಿದ್ರೆ he can eligible to claim under section 80C. Then dependent or not shall qualify for deduction. However, premium paid, LIC premium paid on brother life, sister's life, father and mother life is not allowed to deduct even though they are dependent on associate. So LIC premium if we pay, then it is eligible to claim under section 80C. But conditions ಏನು ಅಂದ್ರೆ he or the spouse life, wife or husband life ಮೇಲೆ ಪೇಮೆಂಟ್ ಪ್ರೀಮಿಯಂ ಪೇಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು. ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್ಸ್ ಹೆಸರು ಮೇಲೆ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು. Suppose premium if it is paid in the name of brother, sisters, wife, brother, sister, father, mother, then it is not eligible to claim here. So this is about life insurance premium treatment. But ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಕೂಡ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಇದೆ. Maximum limit of insurance premium paid. If policy taken before 1/4/2012, then 20% of sum assured or actual premium paid, whichever is less, is allowed to claim. If it is premium is taken before 1/4/2012. If policy taken on or after 1/4/2012, then 10% of sum assured or actual premium paid, whichever is less, that one is allowed to claim. So this is a limit. Remember it. Policy amount does not include bonus or any premium to be returned. The premium paid in excess of prescribed limit is not deductible. Then a premium, if it is paid under group insurance scheme, it is eligible to claim. Premium paid in unit linked insurance plan, it is also be eligible to claim under section 80C, fully eligible. Then contributions to annuity fund of LIC like New Jeevan Dhara, New Jeevan Akshay plans. This is also be fully qualified for deduction under section 80C. Then third scheme ETC ಅಂಡರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ್ದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹೌಸಿಂಗ್ ಫೈನಾನ್ಸ್. Deposited in home loan amount account schemes launched by National Housing Bank, Commercial and Cooperative Bank, Scheduled Bank, fully qualified for deduction under section 80C. But interest on loan, housing loan is not eligible to claim under section 80C because it is already claimed under the head of income from house property under section 24 subsection B. Housing finance. Suppose house ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಕನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಕೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ಲೋನ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಏನಾದರೂ ತುಂಬಿದ್ರೆ that amount he can eligible to claim under section 80C. But ಲೋನಿಗೆ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ತುಂಬಿದ್ರೆ interest on loan is not eligible to claim here because interest on loan he can or he already claimed under section 24B under the head of income from house property. Under the head of income from house property. So this is all about the few schemes which comes under the section of 80C. Remaining schemes I am going to explain in my next part. Thank you for watching.